Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge sunroof leak concerns and outlines commonly documented situations where water intrusion may occur around the sunroof area. On the Ford Edge, a sunroof leak can present as water dripping from the headliner, damp interior trim, or moisture around the roof console, particularly after rain or car washes. These concerns can vary by model year, sunroof design, and maintenance history, and may not affect every vehicle. Commonly documented causes include clogged or restricted sunroof drain channels, which are designed to route water away from the roof opening. Over time, debris such as dirt or leaves may block these drains, allowing water to overflow into the cabin. In some cases, aging or misaligned sunroof seals may allow water to pass through during heavy rainfall. Certain versions may also experience leaks if the sunroof glass is not seated correctly after repair or adjustment, although this can depend on the specific model year and configuration. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible next steps may include inspecting and cleaning sunroof drain tubes, checking the condition and alignment of the sunroof seal, or having the sunroof assembly inspected for proper fit. These are general guidance steps and may not resolve every situation. Overall, sunroof leak behavior on the Ford Edge can differ based on vehicle age, environmental exposure, and prior service work, so accurate inspection is important to prevent interior damage. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.